Yes, good morning. This is Prime FX. Today, I would like us to learn about some more basic concept in forex trading. The first one is the ask price, and the ask price it is the lowest price a seller will sell a given stock or a given currency. The bid price is another term that is used in forex, and this is the highest price a buyer will pay for any stock or any given currency at a given time. When we come to our chart here, this is a Euro USD chart, 15 minutes. We can even go to 5 minutes to illustrate this further. The higher price marked by a red line at this point, this one is what we refer to as the ask price, and the lower price down here marked with gray is what we refer to as the bid price. Now, what does this mean in forex trading? Remember, these currencies are offered by banks, or else they are offered by brokers. What broker will do will either sell a currency to you or will buy a currency from you. When the case, let's take this Euro USD as the example. When you go to purchase the euro, remember the euro here is the base currency, you will buy the euro at you will buy the euro at this price, the ask price. When you want to sell the euro, in case you have them, you will do it at the lower price or the bid price. The difference between the two, that is the ask price and the bid price, we shall be referring to it as the spread. And the spread is how brokers get their money or how they make their money. When you approach a bank and you have euros, in the case of the Euro USD, you want to sell them, you will sell them or they will buy from you, because when you sell, they buy. You will sell to them at the lower price, in this case, which is, okay, it is moving because the market is rife, which is 1.06859. In case you want to buy some euros, that is using the US dollar, you will do it at 1.06877. By so doing, if someone bought the euro at this higher price, another one sold at the lower price, it means the bank made this difference. A good example of commodities that are traded is, for instance, what we refer to as rice, for instance. When a broker gets to the farmer, they will give the farmer a lower price. But when they sell it at a higher price. That means in between the buying price and the selling price, that is how the broker makes the money. And that is what we refer to as the ask and the bid price. As I had stated earlier, the difference between the two is what we refer to as the spread. In a forex chart, in case you want to know where you get the spread, you will get to the that is in the MetaTrader 4 or the MT4. You will get to the View tab, then you come down to where we have the Market Watch, and in the Market Watch you will see two things. You will see the bid price here, and you will see the ask price on the other side. When you get the difference between the bid price and the ask price for a currency pair, you get the spread for that currency pair at that time. You can see all of them here. That is how you get the spread. When we come to the spread, remember these ones are given by the brokers or the banks. You will find there are two types of spreads. The first one is what we refer to as fixed spread, meaning fixed means that something is not changing or something is constant. What that implies is that the gap between the bid price and the ask price does not change. Let's get back to the market watch so that we can illustrate in a better way. When you look at these pairs, in case you subtract the bid and ask, what you get is the spread. That difference for the case of fixed spread, the value remains a constant. When we come to the second type of spread, this one is affected by volatility and the liquidity of a currency. We refer to it as variable spreads. It is changing, meaning the movement between when the ask price moves up, perhaps at that moment the bid price is not moving. That one will create a changing value of the spread, meaning what? In that case, the spreads are varying, hence the term variable spread. The next concept that I want us to learn this time is what we refer to as the pips or the percentage in point. And what is this? When you look at these currency pairs that I have on my chart, let me enlarge it so that I can manage to bring it a little bit better. The bid price is here, or even the ask price is here. They are expressed to how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the one to the fourth decimal place, in this case, I have a 9 here. That one is the fourth decimal place. It means when, for instance, this case GBP USD or the currency pair of the sterling pound and the US dollar, as I have highlighted, when these 9 changes, therefore, let's say there is an increase in 1 to the fourth decimal place such that it is 1.2230, then it would mean the movement in that currency is 1 pip. It is 1 pip. In other words, this is the smallest whole number value that a change that can happen in a forex scenario. In this case, you can see we have even to the fifth decimal place. The fifth one is a tenth of the fourth one, and that one we refer to it as a pipette, meaning in case to the fourth decimal place there is an increase in 1, we shall say that for that forex pair, the increase or the change is 1 pip. That is 1 percentage point.